Hello students, welcome to the maths class of standard 3rd. Today we are going to learn chapter number 12, can we share? Chapter number 12, can we share? So in this chapter we are going to learn about division. Okay, so you just look in your textbook page number 160. You can see this page number 160, chapter number 12. You can see the picture of butterfly is given over here. So here you just count it. Two groups are there, and how many butterflies in one group? So you can see 5 butterflies are in one group. Before we start this lesson, I'll give you one example. At your home, your mother and father bringing something for you. आपके लिए कुछ लाते हैं, आपके मम्मी पापा कुछ खाने के लिए, like chocolates and pizza and all. So you are sharing with your family members. आप अपने family members के साथ share करते हो. आपके छोटे भाई, बड़ी दीदी, किसी के जो भी फैमिली मेंबर्स है उन सबके साथ हम शेयर करते हैं. ओके, तो वैसे जो भी चीज़ है जितनी भी क्वांटिटी में है उसको हम शेयर कर इक्वली शेयर करते हैं. तो यहाँ पे भी शेयरिंग बताया गया है कैसे करना है, डिवाइड कैसे करेंगे हम. सो हियर यू कैन सी 5 butterflies are there in 2 groups. You can see there are total 10 butterflies and they are divided in 2 groups, equally divided in 2 groups. Here it is written there are 10 butterflies and they are in 2 groups. There are 5 butterflies in each group. Okay, on the next page in your textbook you can see here caterpillars. You can see the caterpillars on a leaf. So here you have to count it, how many are there. So there are, you just count it, so it will be 21. So there are 21 caterpillars. They are in a 3 groups. You can see there are in a 3 groups. And there are total 21 caterpillars. There are in each leaf. How many caterpillars are there? You just count it. So it is, here it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So there are 7 caterpillars in each group. Okay, यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हो total it is 21 caterpillars and 3 groups are there and in each groups there are 7 caterpillars. Okay, now next is you can see the picture of laddus. Okay, so you just count it. So how many are there total? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. So here you have to write in this blank there are 12 laddus. They are in how many groups? So you can see it is in 4 groups. There are dash laddus in each groups. So you can see there are 3 laddus in each group. Now turn the page. On the other page, draw 18 stars. Put them into 2 equal groups. How many total stars? There are 18 stars. You have to divide into 2 equal groups. You have to put them in this clouds. Okay, empty clouds is given. In that you have to draw. दोनों में इक्वल करके आपको 18 स्टार जो है उसको डिवाइड करना है. So here 2 clouds are there. यहाँ पे 2 clouds दिए आपको. उसमें आपको कितने स्टार्स बनाने हैं, डिवाइड करना है. There are total it is 18 stars and you have to divide it into 2 groups. So it is 18. It's a total. Divide by into 2 groups में आपको divide करना है. So we draw the stars. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 and 18. It is done. 18 stars, total 18 stars. Now we'll count it how many are there in each group. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. In each group there are how many stars are there? 9. So 18 divided by 2 equal to, answer is 9. 2 9s are 18. Okay, for this you should know the table from 0 to 10. Okay, आपको ये टेबल जो है अच्छी तरह से आना चाहिए for the division, multiplication, and for the multiplication and division it is compulsory to know the table. Okay, this way the next one, draw the beads, put them into 3 equal groups. Here total beads are 18 and that you have to divide into 3 equal groups. Okay, beads are given, total beads are 18 and that you have to divide into 3 groups. So what you will do, 18 divided by 3. 3 6s are 18. So in each group 6 beads will be there. Okay, so on this string you have to fill the 6 beads on each thread. In your textbook it is given, you can see this, and this you have to fill the 6 beads in each group. Okay, like this way in your workbook also few questions are given related to this. Page number 199 in your workbook, you can see, just open your workbook. Can we share? So here you can see picture of apple is given. There are 12 apples. Okay, total apples are 12. Making equal group of 6 6. What you have to do? You have to make the groups of 6 apples. So here you can see, here in this boxes 6 apples are there in 2 groups. So here it is written 12 divided by 6 equal to 2, means total apples divided by apples in each group equal to number of groups. So 2 6s are 12. Here I have shown on the board like this. Here it is total 18 stars and it is divided into 2 groups. The total number of the stars divided by how many, in how many groups it is divided, it is 2. So 18 divided by 2 equal to 9. The same way the total apple is 12 and that apples are divided into 2 groups. So in each group there are, the apples are 12 total apples and it is divided into 2 groups. 12 divided by 2. So 6 2s are 12. So in each group how many apples are there? 6 apples are there. Okay. This way we'll divide it in different groups. Here you can see first it is divided in 2 groups. So what we have written, 12 divided by 6 equal to 2 groups. Next is making equal group of 4 4. So here you can see 3 groups are made. हमें क्या करना है, एप्पल जो है उसको 4 बना के उसके ग्रुप्स बनाने हैं. So we'll get number of groups. So here it is 3 4s are 12. Next is making equal group of 3 3. 3 एप्पल के ग्रुप्स बनाने हैं. So 12 divided by 3 equal to 4. देख सकते हो आप 4 इक्वल पार्ट्स बना के रखे हैं, 3 के एप्पल बना के. So 3 4s are 12 like this. Next is making equal group of 2 2. 2 के ग्रुप बनाने हैं. So 12 divided by 2 equal to 6. You can see this, how many total groups are there? 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. Okay, now turn the page. Your question number 1, do as directed. Make equal group of 3. First picture is given. This is a book. So many books are there. So here it is total 12 books are there, divided by 3 equal to make equal group of 3. हमें यहाँ पे लिख के दे दिया है कि हमें 3-3 का ग्रुप बनाना है, तो हमें ऐसे उसको ड्रॉ करके ग्रुप्स बना लेने हैं. देन विल राइट टोटल नंबर ऑफ बुक्स डिवाइड बाय ग्रुप इक्वल टू आंसर. सो 12 डिवाइड बाय 3 इक्वल टू 4 groups we can make if we'll put 3 books in one group. Okay. Second one, make equal group of 6. Make equal group of 6. So here you can see the picture of candle is given. First we'll count it, how many total number of candles are there. So it is 18. Okay. So here you have to write 18. 18 candles are there total, and in 6 make equal group of 6. 6 equal groups we have to make. How many equal group we have to make? 6. So here you have to write 6. 6 group बनाने हैं. So 3 6 are 18. So we'll make groups, 6 groups. In each group there will be 3 candles. 3-3 का ग्रुप बनाएंगे तो 6 ग्रुप्स बन जाएंगे. 6 3s are 18. Next is make equal group of 5. Make equal group of 5. 5 ग्रुप बनाने हैं हमें. And first we'll count it, how many flowers are there. Total number of flowers. So we'll count it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20. So there are 20 flowers are there. So here we have to write total number of flowers. So it is 20. And how many groups we have to make? 5. So 20 divided by 5. So 4 5s are 20. So in each group there will be 4 flowers. एक ग्रुप कितने फ्लावर का बनेगा? 4 flowers का. Okay. Like this way you have to make the groups. You can see I have made by the pencil से मैंने बनाया है यहाँ पे एक ग्रुप 4 फ्लावर का. वैसे आपको ग्रुप बनाना है. Next is fourth one. Make equal group of 2. तो पहले हम क्या करेंगे? First we'll count this leaves. How many total number of leaves are there? So it is 16. And how many groups we have to make? 2 groups. So 2 8s are 16. तो एक ग्रुप में कितने आएंगे? 8. Okay. So in one group there will be 8 leaves. This way you have to make 2 groups. Okay. Rest this 5 6 7 8 you have to make by your own self. आपका खुद से आंसर लिखना है. Okay. Next, this already I have explained you. Question number 2, do as directed. Draw equal parts of 16 stars in 2 clouds. In textbook we have seen there it is given 18 stars. Here it is total 16 stars are there, and that we have to divide into this 2 clouds. So 8 2s are 16. एक एक करके हम स्टार को ड्रॉ करेंगे दोनों क्लाउड में. 16 हो जाने तक तो हमें मिल जाएगा आंसर. इट इज 8. 16 डिवाइड बाई 2 इक्वल टू 8. सो 8 स्टार विल बी देयर इन वन क्लाउड. नेक्स्ट इज ड्रॉ इक्वल पार्ट्स ऑफ 21 pearls in 3 strings. Here you can see 3 strings are given. And how many total pearls are there? 21. And how many strings are there? 3. So 21 divided by 3 equal to 7 3s are 21. So answer is 7 pearls will be there in each string. आप देख सकते हो मैंने ड्रॉ किया है यहाँ पे. pearls जो है एक string में 7 pearls होंगे. Okay. Like this way. Third one, draw equal parts of 36 laddus in 4 plates. Here how many total laddus are there? 36, and that we have to divide in 4 plates. So 36 divided by 4 equal to 4 9s are 36. So 9 laddus will be there in each plate. Okay. Now fourth one, draw equal parts of 40 chocolates in 5 boxes. Here you can see 5 boxes are there, and in that this 40 chocolates you have to divide in 5 boxes. So 40 divided by 5. So 5 8s are 40. So 8 chocolate will be there in each box. Okay. So this way you have to solve this question number 1 and 2. Question number 1 and 2. Already I have shown you this in the textbook and in workbook also, that you have to draw by your own self. And now we'll go to the next question, is question number 3. Sorry, first it is given to page number 202. Page number 202. That we'll first see and then we'll solve the next question. Now here you can see the 8 beads are arranged in 2 ways. Here you can see 8 beads are drawn. We'll make 2 different groups. First we'll make 4 equal parts from this beads. This is 1 group, 2, 3, third group, and fourth group. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. From this 8 beads I have made 4 groups. कितने ग्रुप्स बनाए मैंने? 4 groups. In each group there are 2 beads. You can see in each group there are 2 beads. हर एक ग्रुप में 2 beads है. So see, 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. How many it is? 2 plus 2 4. 4 plus 2 6 plus 2 8. Okay. उसको ऐड किया हमने तो कितने आए? 8. Okay. Now how many groups are there? 4. And how many beads in each group? It is 2. So 4 multiplied by 2. So 4 2s are 8. Same answer. Okay. So now from this 8 beads we make 2 groups. 1 2 3 4 in this one group, and in the second group also we'll draw 4 beads. Now it is 8. यही 8 beads से हमने 2 groups बनाए. So in each group there are 4 beads. 4 plus 4, it is 8. Okay, now in each group there are 4 beads. And how many groups are there? 2. 4 multiplied by 2, it is 8. Understood? Here it is also same number. Okay, same answer we got. Different group. Here we make 2 beads group and 4 groups are there, and here 4 beads and 2 groups are there. So it is 4 2s are 8. Now 1 2 3 4 5 6 stars are there. Okay, 6 stars are there. Now 6 divided by 1 equal to 6. 6 divided by 1 equal to, देखो हम डिवाइड करते हैं. 6 divided by 1. 1 6 are 6. So answer is 0. Okay. So here the answer is 6 divided by 1. 6 divided by 1. So answer is 6. 6 divided by 6. So it is, you can see here, 6 divided by 6. 6 को 6 के साथ ही डिवाइड करना. 6 1s are 6. So answer is here 0. So answer is 1. 6 divided by 1 equal to 6. 6 divided by 6 equal to 1. Okay. This way the number will be changed, but the answer divide the number divided by 1. So answer will be this number only, 5. 5 divided by 5 equal to 1. नंबर को नंबर के साथ ही डिवाइड करोगे तो आंसर will be 1. And number, any number divided by 1, so the answer will be this number only. Okay. If 3 divided by 1 equal to 3 and 3 divided by 3 equal to 1. Okay. This way you can see on page number 202 one practice is given. Fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. First one is 3 4s are 12. So 12 divided by 3. Here it is given. First one, 3 4s are 12. So 12 divided by 3 equal to how much? That you have to write over here. 3 4s are 12. So 12 divided by 3 करेंगे तो क्या मिलेगा हमें? 4 3s are 12. So answer will be 4 here. See here. 12 divided by 3. 3 4s are 12. So it will be, the answer is 4. That will write over here. Okay. This way we have to solve the rest of this blanks. Second one is given. 2 5s are 10. So 10 divided by 2. So answer will be 10 divided by 2. क्या आंसर क्या आएगा? 2 5s are 10. Next is given. And here it is, after this it is written. वहाँ पे आपको नहीं दिखेगा, मैं यहाँ पे लिखती हूँ. And 12 divided by 4. So 4 3s are 12. Okay. Second one, it is 2 5s are 10. So 10 divided by 5 equal to 2 5s are 10. Now answer is 2. And 10 divided by 2. It is 2 5s are 10. Okay. See, in the division it is given 10 divided by 5. Okay. So 5 2s are 10. 0 0 is subtracted. So what it is? This is quotient. This is divisor. This is leader and this is the remainder. This is the divisor, divider, and this is the remainder. Okay. So this way you have to solve the fill in the blanks which is given over here. Next is 6 5s are 30. 6 5s are 30. Third one. 6 5s are 30. So here 30 divided by 6. So 5 6s are 30. Answer here 5. And 30 divided by 5. पहले इसके साथ डिवाइड करेंगे तो ये आंसर आएगा. जब इसके साथ 30 को डिवाइड करेंगे तो आंसर विल बी 6 5s are 30. Okay. Next 4 and 5 you have to do by your own self. Now we'll go to the next one is sixth one. 3 divided by 3. Same numbers. 3 को 3 से डिवाइड करेंगे तो क्या मिलेगा? 1. This is 6 1 3 divided by 3. So answer will be 1. नंबर को नंबर के साथ ही डिवाइड करेंगे so answer will be 1. Same it is given. 4 divided by 4. Seventh one, 4 divided by 4. So answer is 1. नंबर को नंबर के साथ ही डिवाइड करेंगे so answer will be 1. 11, that is 12 divided by 12. So इट इज 1. नंबर को नंबर के साथ ही डिवाइड करेंगे, सो हमें क्या आंसर मिलेगा 1. नेक्स्ट इज 12th one. 4 डिवाइड बाय 1. क्या करना है? 4 को 1 के साथ डिवाइड करना है. सो 1 4 जा 4. सो आंसर इज 4. 14 is 7 divided by 1. So answer will be 7. जो भी नंबर को 1 के साथ डिवाइड करेंगे तो वो नंबर खुद ही आंसर आएगा. ओके. 14 is 9 divided by 1. So answer is 9. Understood? नंबर को नंबर के साथ डिवाइड करेंगे उसी सेम नंबर से तो आंसर कौन आएगा? नंबर को 1 के साथ डिवाइड करेंगे, जो 1 डिवाइड करेंगे तो यही नंबर आंसर है. ओके. So your this practice portion this is done. Now next questions we'll see in the next